Welcome to another episode of a lot of how-tos and reviews. Today we are testing out this gel blaster, the M416. It's the best gel blaster on Amazon. If you're interested in this product, the link is in the description below. The gel blaster is pretty powerful, packs a little punch. It does hurt a little bit, it's a little sting. No, you can't handle. So this described it as 50 to 65 feet of range, which is ridiculous. And it really gets far. It's getting all the way across to the other building, into that little barrel right here. And that's not even as far as it gets. I'm shooting it as far as those pipes. It's hitting those pipes. That's how far it's going. Hitting the first set of pipes. I couldn't get it to the second set of pipes, but it gets a little bit over the first one. Crazy range. Now let's get close up and show you what the zoom is like on this thing. It gets really magnified, almost as if it's a real scope. It's pretty cool for a plastic scope. That's all. We laid out all these cans. Those cans took a beating. As you can see, this is an incredible speed and accuracy, 50 to 65 feet with little gel balls. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to get this item, it's in the description below. As always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you later.